Hi everyone, it's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hope that all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. In this moment, I would like to say something about how can I speaking English. Okay, so let's get start this video. So dear friends, I am villagers. Actually, I live at village and I live at a small village. You can see in our home. Actually, in our home, I live at village and small village. In our village, all villagers and that don't know English because all villagers and native language actually first language actually Bengali. My first language actually Bengali and my schooling language actually Assamese. Okay, I in our environment actually Bengali environment, and at that situation I practice my English journey. Before 6 month or 5 month ago, in our English speaking journey start, and at that situation I start my journey so difficult for learning English in our environment, so very tough for learning English at this situation. Okay, so because our village and in our environment, so when I start for learning English at that time, I for video make start beginning time video making start. So many people, so many friends ask me why it's possible for learning English in this environment. At the time I asked you, I answer you, yes, I learn speaking English and regularly. Okay, so many friends ask me, you are not possible for learning English in this environment. I also answer you, yes, I am crazy learner for learning English, so that's why I one day I will be able for learning speaking English fluently. So many friends ignore me, and so many friends my English journey criticize because beginning time so many mistakes. So that's why so many friends, so many peoples, when I upload video at the time, so many mistake. And now our English speaking not very well, but I speak very actually I also speaking English, not fluent speaker, not very good speaker, but I speak English. Okay, so dear friends, that is the things learning time, so many problems, it doesn't matter. If you speaking English fluently and you have to practice more and more, you have to patience and you have to regular and practically. Okay, so that is the thing. And dear friends, on the other hand, my journey and when I childhood time and at that time schooling time, my English so very bad quality, and my English subject, my a very difficult subject when I was learning time. Okay, and actually my future hobbies for learning English and English good speaker, and so that is the way for learning English. And learning English is not for a shortcut way for learning English. If you believe that you can regularly practice, you will be able for learning English, and after 6 months or 1 year later your English very well. Okay, so dear lovely friends, I am a beginner, as a villagers and as a village lifestyle. I am a simple boy. I am a not for attitude boy, I am a simple boy. So dear friends, in our village you can see in our behind side, this is our village. And actually my village situated at Brahmaputra river and half an kilometer distance for Brahmaputra river. And on the around side, actually this is the hill, actually very big hill. This hill name Dutnat hill. And another side one hill, this is the Takrabanda hill. Okay, so two hill and middle point in our village. So dear lovely friends, nowadays I can't making any blogging video because nowadays I am busy. So that's why I can't making any blogging video and any practicing video. Now I am standing here in this field, and in front of our paddy field. I visit in our paddy field. Paddy field look like very green and very beautiful and very amazing. Okay, so dear lovely friends, actually this is the evening time, and not evening time, actually almost sunset. So that's why in our video actually close. So thank you, bye bye, next time see you, thank you.